Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start SketchUp for beginners, full guide. Open SketchUp and pick a template that matches your project units, then set up your workspace by enabling helpful toolbars. Learn navigation first, orbit, pan, and zoom smoothly before drawing. Practice with the line and rectangle tools, then use push/pull to create 3D shapes. Save often and name versions to track progress as you learn the basics. In this video, I will show how to start SketchUp for beginners, full guide. Start by drawing simple shapes with the line and rectangle tools, then convert faces into volumes using push/pull and exact numbers for precision. Learn move for placement and rotate to angle parts, practicing with the measurements box for accuracy. Group geometry early to avoid sticky faces, and use components when repeating elements so edits update everywhere. In this video, I will show how to start SketchUp for beginners, full guide. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for playing background music or voice prompts while you model, and it fits nicely on a messy desk. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials, and check the description for the link and deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to start SketchUp for beginners, full guide. Keep your model tidy by grouping related geometry and using components for repeated items like windows or furniture. Use tags to hide or reveal parts of the model, and create scenes to save views for presentations or renders. Name things clearly and adopt a simple folder structure for assets so you can find components fast and stay productive as projects grow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.